Hi there, I'll be giving a brief tutorial on setting up Vibrio with your DMX enabled lights. First, you'll need a router and a DMX to Ethernet adapter. We'll be using this one from Intech, but DMX King makes a good alternative as well. You'll also need an iPad running the Vibrio app. Here's a diagram of how the setup will work. The iPad running Vibrio will connect to the router's wireless network. There is no internet connection needed from the router. The adapter will then bridge the connection between the router and lighting fixtures. Let's get started. First, plug in the router and DMX adapter for power. Next, use an Ethernet cable to connect them together. Make sure you use the direct Ethernet connection out of the router and not the internet connection port. Next, plug the first light in your DMX line into the DMX out port of the adapter. Note that you may need a 3 to 5 pin connector depending on your fixtures. Here we're using one. The order we plugged everything in doesn't matter. The last step is to connect your iPad to the router's network. Open Settings on the iPad, go to Wi-Fi, and connect to the Vibrio network. For those using a DMX King adapter, you may need to use a static network connection at this point. Now go to Vibrio and verify the connection. If you're using a static network connection, like required with the DMX King adapter, go to Vibrio and in the settings, turn on ArtNet Unicast. By selecting the IP address shown, you can view the available adapters. That's all you'll need to get everything connected. Thanks for using Vibrio, and you can see our next tutorial on setting up your first show.